Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to connect 3.5mm wired headphones to your Samsung Galaxy A16. So sadly, the A16 does not have a port in which you can just immediately insert the headphones into, so you'll be needing to use an adapter. So I have this adapter right here. It's by Ugreen. So one end is for the Type-C, which is what I'm going to insert into my phone, and the other end is for the 3.5mm wired headphones. So I have this option right here that allows me to connect directly, and I also have this second option, again by Ugreen, that allows me to both connect my headphones to listen to music, as well as connect my phone so that it can charge as I'm listening to music. This is because this other connector doesn't give me the ability to charge my phone. So with this one, I can charge my phone as I listen to music. So these are the two options that I normally use, but if you have any other options that you prefer using, you can obviously use those ones. And so once you've ensured that you have the connector with you, you then want to insert the wired headphones into the port, like that. And once you've connected it like that, you then want to insert the USB-C end into your phone. So it should look something like that. So you can see it's now connected. Then from here, you want to now test it out. So open your music app or YouTube or Netflix or any media that you want to listen to and start playing a song or a video